Welcome to Packaging School. Today, we'll discuss packing and packaging, two related concepts, but with distinct purposes. Packing. Packing is the process of enclosing or securing products to protect them during storage, transportation, or handling. The primary focus is safety, ensuring goods are shielded from damage, breakage, or contamination. For example, wrapping a fragile item in bubble wrap and placing it in a box is an act of packing. Packaging. Packaging, on the other hand, goes beyond just protection. It encompasses the design, production, and application of materials to enclose products. Packaging integrates protection, just like packing. Presentation that makes the product visually appealing. Branding to create a connection with consumers. Consumer information, such as labels, graphics, and instructions to educate buyers. In short, packaging focuses on both safety and marketing appeal, combining functionality with aesthetics to attract buyers and convey value. Packing prioritizes safety and logistics. Packaging integrates safety with branding, aesthetics, and marketing. While packing is an activity, packaging is a system designed to deliver a product to consumers in a safe and sound condition, and at the minimum possible cost. Understanding this difference is key to delivering not just products, but a complete experience to your customers. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share our channel with your friends. Thank you for joining us.